hands, believing you would understand. I trusted blood, I trusted care, and thought you'd treat them soft and fair. But every time they come back home, their little hearts feel less their own. Like fragile petals in the storm, they lose their light, they lose their warmth. How can you look into their eyes and never feel their silent cries? Flowers don't deserve the rain, not the kind that brings them pain. Tender souls were meant to grow, not live beneath the heart so cold. Those lovely eyes should shine with peace, not filled with tears that never cease. My flowers trusted you completely, and you keep hurting them so deeply. I tried to speak, I tried for years, with patient words and careful tears. But pride refuses still to bend, so all the hurting never ends. You blame the world for all you feel, while kindness slowly disappears. And all the darkness in your mind falls on my flowers every time. They came to learn, they came to bloom, not carry shadows through the room. Flowers don't deserve the rain or harshness dressed as love again. Their gentle hearts are full of light, so I keep dimming what shines bright. How can you hear the trembling voice and still believe you made the right choice? You bruise the beauty of their souls, then speak as though you've done no wrong. I pity you more than I say, because cold hearts decay that way. And though the sorrow cuts me deep, I choose the road where kindness lives. I never touched your flowers cruelly, I love them all sincerely. And even now, through all this pain, I won't become what I to protect their gentle light, not make them fear themselves at night.